Alright, so let's go through this Pure Physics 2022 light question. So we have this diagram showing a ray of light traveling through a semicircular glass block in the direction shown. Angle PQRS are measured in degree. So what is the refractive index of the glass? Okay, so how do we solve this type of question? First thing first, of course, we must use the formula of n equal to sine I over sine R. Okay, so always remember when you are doing calculation, the I must always be in the less dense medium. Then the R must always be in the more dense medium. Okay, so if you look at option A and option B, option A and option B are highly likely the answer. C and D is wrong. Why is C and D wrong? Because if you look at C, sine P over sine Q, so it's like they are actually using this angle here and this angle here. So when you are using the angle must always be between the light ray and of course the normal. So C and D is definitely out already. Okay, if you look at A and B, they are very similar. Okay, so let's take a look at option A first. Option A is sine 90 minus P. So sine 90 minus P is actually this part. So this is 90 minus P. So what is then the bottom is sine 90 minus Q, which is this 90 minus Q. If you notice one thing, this sine 90 minus P, the 90 minus P is in the less dense medium because you are in the air. Then after that, for the sine 90 minus Q, the 90 minus Q angle is in the more dense medium, which is the glass block. Okay, so this is more dense medium. So so of course answer should be A lah. Alright. Okay. What about part B, option B? So sine 90 minus R. So 90 minus R is here. Then after that, divide by sine 90 minus S, which is here. Okay. So of course, if you look at this, right, 90 minus R is in the more dense medium. Divide by sine 90 minus S, which is in the less dense medium. So for option B, when you do your calculation wise, if they give you some numerical values, right, you will get a refractive index of less than 1, which is not the answer, because minimally the refractive index must be equal to 1 or more. Alright, so B shouldn't be the answer. So the answer should be A.